Tiffany eating today. I got some volcano. Guys, it's Tiffany eating today. I got some volcano today. Here's some this is shape of volcano, and these are the ingredients. Regular food coloring, water. This was I don't know what it is. Vinegar. So guys, my mom is going to help me. So we're going to do it.
Okay, let's go a little bit slower. First thing you're going to put in is the water.
Oh, water?
Be careful and put the water.
Oh, did you make it? No.
It's okay. Put the water in the cup.
I can only put it in there.
Put it in the cup. It's okay. There you go. That's probably too much water, but just need a reaction.
This is always going to break.
It's not going to.
Yeah, because it's been plastic.
Now we're going to put
And then drop it with broke.
dishwashing liquid. I think. You're going to put. I'm going to put the food coloring because this is going to soil your hand. So can you hold the camera?
Yeah.
While I do this? Just going to put a tad bit. Just a little bit because it's pretty strong. Okay.
Look at that. I first mix it up. Mix it up. No, mix. Look, it's only. I will mix it up. I will mix it. Yep.
Then we're going to add the vinegar.
Okay. But that's too much.
And for the reaction, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready, T? Now you're going to add the baking soda. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what happens. If it happens. Whoa! There you go. Now this girl just made herself a blue volcano.
Let's do it again. I look like yogurt. Let's do it again.
So that's the reaction between the vinegar.
Let's do it again, Mom. Let's do it again. Whoa.